Hello friends, Python logic. So now Python logics. So my code is over here. PDF file let me guess PDF file audio conversion, audio translation in Python code. So now how can we translate? So first we have to install PyTSX3. Okay, so first we have to write pip install pytxx3 and another one pip install pdf plumber and another one pip install pypdfs2. Three header file modules in pip we have to install, then we can convert. So first we have got to import pyttsx3 and import pdf plumber, then import pypdf2. So we have to import three files. Now create file and variables and paste your location address. Okay, so I am pasting over here my file locations, PDF file. Okay, now string will be there and we have to just change double slash of that one. So path setup will be here. Now close this quote and now creating a PDF file object. Now PDF fileobj equals to open file comma read binary mode, then creating a PDF reader object. Now PDF reader equals to pypdf2 dot pdf file reader. Now PDF file object, this is our variable. So we are creating first PDF file object and open a file of the right one. So now again created PDF reader object, PDF reader, then access pypdf2 dot pdf file reader and our PDF file object name. Okay, now after that get the number of pages, how many pages you want to translate. So pages PDF reader dot open our file. Okay, so this is our file. So now what can do after that? Wait. PDF reader dot number of pages pages, because we are get the number of pages, so we have to write pages equals to PDF reader dot num pages. Now press enter and open with command PDF plumber dot open file is PDF. Okay, now loop through the number of pages. Now create a loop for I in range 0, pages, how many pages you want. Okay, so now page equals to pdf dot pages, pages of I. After that we have to create text variable page dot extract text function we can call, and then print command text. Okay, now after that speaker keyword we are making, speaker variable we are taking, so pi double t sx3 dot initialization file. Now speaker dot say text, speaker convert to a text. Now speaker dot run and wait. So this is the code in our program. We can translate any PDF file in audio form in this code. So first we have to create import three header files. Now take a path variable as a, then creating PDF file object, then creating PDF reader object, then get the number of pages and with command with PDF number on file, that one, and this is the loop through the pages number of. So inside the loop of this code we are adding loop range 0 pages. Now page equals to PDF dot pages of I, and text we are taking variable text, so text page dot extract underscore text. Okay, now print text, and after that speaker is a variable, and pi ttx3 we are using for initialization, and speaker dot say function we can call text, and speaker dot run and wait. Now after that save this file. Okay, now file name we can write trans translation PDF, and then save. Now F5 is the module, and now execute. So yes, so have you listened that word PDF file is automatically started. Okay, so this is the my file name, and it will be started, so you can understand. Okay, in screen recording size should be less, so So you can see that text of number of files automatically translated over here. So it will be printed over here in a screen. You can see that my screen is shifted over here, so it's not coming over here. You can see that everything will be over here and that screen. So so you have seen that this is the total audio translation, and it will output for idle window. Okay, so you can understand how can we make PDF to audio translation. Thank you, have a nice day. If you like this code, just share and like my channel. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.